Hello everybody, today I want to talk with you about how to remove saved Facebook account in iPhone. Now, let me show you. In your Facebook app, log out, okay, in your account. When you are here, you can watch your Facebook profile. Example, Celeste Blue, okay? When you are here, okay, in the corner, you can watch your 3 points, toes here, and then toes in remove profile from this device. Toes here, and here, remove your Facebook profile, Celeste Blue, example, okay? Now, when you're finished here, remember, you need to check out in your password app in your iPhone, okay? Scroll in your screen here and write password. And here in your password app, the first option, open with your Face ID, okay? And remove your Facebook if you have your personal information saved here, okay? Find your Facebook and remove that information. With that, you delete your all information or your Facebook profile or your account save in your mobile, okay? It's so easy and really fast. Sorry for my bad English. I know that this information works for you. Have a good day and see you later.